Hi there, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sally and I run Didsbury Art Studio and I'm an art teacher. And in today's video we're going to be doing shibori techniques with things that I've been collecting. Shall we get into it? So these are the different things that I'm going to use in shibori. These are some glass beads. These are Kirby grips. They look like this. Just grabbed a couple of different types of beads that had some glass beads, a couple of different sizes. That is really, really cool. So I hope you enjoyed my video today, and if you're new to me and I'm new to you, then please do subscribe, hit the notification button so you can see when I upload, and do give me a like if you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Take care.